Welcome to CyberOx.
Oh, yo, what's up? CyberOx here. Today I'm going to be talking about variables in Perl. Sorry, I'm tired, just got done with clothes. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Now, variables are pretty much I'll go ahead and use this in my terms because I'm tired of all the people out there that are politically correct. I'm just going to use my terms so regular people can understand it. A variable is like a safe or a box, right? Like a jewelry box. A variable is a jewelry box. Now, the value of the variable is inside the box. So, for easier explanation, let's create a box. Now, to declare a variable, you have to hold down Shift, hit your 4 key to make the money symbol, right? So that right there is saying what's coming after this is going to be a variable. We'll type in V or whatever your variable name is, then space equal. Now we're going to put a value inside the box, which is inside the variable, to give the variable or assign the variable of a value. So I'm going to assign my variable 5 as a value. Now that we have a variable out there, let's go ahead and show everybody what's inside our box. So type in print, space, double quotations, and inside here you want to type in your variable name. Now we're also going to learn something new called the new line, which is \n, lowercase n. Capitalize, you'll get error, and you'll go mad trying to figure out what's wrong. But it's lowercase n. And what this does, it prints it out and goes to a new line. So if you had more code, it would go right under it instead of the same line, which is really bad, confuses everybody, makes the code up, not good. So let's go ahead and order on this. First, I want to go and move it over here real quick because I need to move it back. Alright. Run. And as you see, it prints out the variable 5. Or the value of 5. Now if we look right here on the variable, the value of our variable is 5. Meaning I put a 5 inside the box and I printed out the box and it showed the actual variable. Kind of scary. Now if we keep going to other, no matter how many variables, it will print it out except unlogical numbers. Like that, it actually will not print that out. It will print out something different. So let's go ahead and click on run so I can actually show you. It will not print it out because it's unheard of or unknown or unlogical. So if we go ahead and just hit space and cancel out, but print out something that is logical, like 9,999,999. This will print out because it is a very much logical number. Now if we add a couple more 9s, now it's at 99 million. Now we put out more, 99 billion. Which if we run, it will still print out because it's 99 billion. Now if we hit the trillions, right, 999 trillion, it will still print out. Now, if we print out 9, just one more, it will still run it, but the more you go, the more it's closer to not actually doing anything. Right now it's at 9 trillion, I guess. But if we add a couple more, that's when it hits to the IE plus whatever. So basically, it's not going to print out anything more than after a trillion, whatever that is. So we got 3 dots. Alright, here we go. And that's the number that it will not print out. However, you can assign the variable to it, but it still will be IE plus whatever. So whenever you're assigning a variable to a variable, you have to think logical, otherwise Perl will not really concept it. And no, you cannot include dots as well, my bad. That's in a later tutorial, floating number. But anyways, that's how to use variables in Perl and how to print it out on the screen, and also how to do a new line within Perl. Which, again, new line basically gives you space. Now, to go ahead and demonstrate this, I will go ahead and make two variables, aka two boxes, and I'm going to print them out, but in a new line. var1, var2. Now, as you see, we have print out var1 or print out var, but new line. So that means it should go 555 total. So we'll go ahead and apply and run, and as you see, 555. So the backslash n is a new line, which gives you pretty much space within your program. That's why if you look over here on top and bottom, I have space between, so I can kind of make my program look nice and neat and fit. Anyways, that's how to do a basic stuff with variables, printouts, and new lines on Perl. Tutorial number 2. More to come afterwards. Hope this helped and went into detail and broke it down in layman's terms. Variable box, the variable of value inside the box. As always, thank you for watching CyberOx. Have a good day and God bless.